you very much for having us, by the way. Cheers.
How's it going, Leeds? You alright, man? I don't know if you can see, but I'm celebrating Movember and Sonny shaved the right naughty bit of the moustache on me. Right. So we sung this song in the finals of the show just before we lost to a
One second. This actually looks so good, I'm going to take a picture. So everyone just go a little bit nuts, please. Gotcha. Cheers. Thank you very much. Yeah, this is honest. Don't cry, try not to wait up for me tonight. I'm leaving for the future and it's fine.
Stretch off my feet like a drifting kite.
And I'm
Regretting all the choices that I made,
but I know we can learn from our mistakes.
with every single new step that we take. I don't repeat myself, I'm not a parrot. You know how I feel and that's apparent. A final move to win or lose and I can make you choose, it's up to you.
And I told you my roots will keep me honest. I'll be a good boy, that I promise. If I said that I won't leave, then I'll stay true. And I told you my roots will keep me honest. If there's a bus, nobody on it. When I told you I'm not leaving, you'll believe it when you see I'm not leaving. Sit tight, I'm up around the world to do my thing. And every word you say, I'm listening.
And when I wake up, it'll just be me.
So don't cry, even when I'm distant far away. And you're sitting warm by the fireplace.
Tears blur the embers, you'll see my face. I might repeat myself, am I a parrot? You know how I feel and that's apparent. A final move when I lose and I can make you choose, it's up to you.
And I told you my roots will keep me honest. I'll be a good boy, that I promise. If I said that I won't leave, then I'll stay true. And I told you my roots will keep me honest. If there's a bus, nobody on it. When I told you I'm not leaving, you'll believe it when you see I'm not being honest.
Honest, 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 honest,
I'll be a good boy, that I promise. If I said